Well, it's now official, something pretty much everyone knew already, but Joe Shimoda has signed with Honda. This is a quote from Brandon Wilson, manager of racing and experiential marketing, saying, quote, "It feels like a reunion. Rider signing news is always exciting, but this one is particularly meaningful for our management and many of our associates, given the Japanese connection. Although he's already the most successful Japanese motocrosser to race full-time in the US, Joe has his sights on bigger goals, and we look forward to helping him achieve them." And on Joe's side of things, he says, quote, "I'm super stoked to join Honda's factory team. I feel like I progressed a lot since I was with Factory Connection, and I hope that I can take the next step in my career to win an AMA championship. I'm friends with the Lawrence brothers since we were teammates at Factory Connection, and they've shown that the bikes are capable of winning at the highest level. We've already started testing for 2024, and I can't wait for the season to start." So obviously, he'll be teammates with Hunter Lawrence and Jet Lawrence, and also Chase Hymas, I think. So I hope he does well. Obviously, for the last couple of years, he has been the most consistent guy on the factory Kawasaki team with all the injuries and everything. So you can bet that he's going to be competitive, he's going to be fast, and he's going to be there when racing is going. He's more than likely going to be non-injured. Obviously, that's not something you can plan out, but you never know. So hopefully, I hope he does well, because I want to see, more competitive riding, more competition in general for wins and podiums and everything. And this is kind of cool. Good for him for going from a team that he basically walked onto and didn't have a full ride to being the most consistent, and then now getting another factory ride with Honda. So in the comments below, you tell me, are you happy he moved? Would you rather see him stay at Kawasaki, or how well do you think he's going to do? But whatever it is, comment down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.